Okay.
It's the first day of school. And, and I'm going to kindergarten.
Who's your teacher?
Mrs. Hurst. And I'm in David's classroom that he used to be in. And I really like Mrs. Hurst. She's a nice teacher.
Count to 30 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Louder.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
13.
13, 14,
Keep going. 16.
16, 17, 18, 19, 30,
20. 23. 24. 26. Comes after 7. 20. 29. 30. Wait, hang on. Go back over there. I haven't got your outfit yet. Go stand over by the hallway so we can get your cute little outfit. I can't see it. By the hallway.
Hi. You ready to have fun on the first day of school?
Yeah.
Well, I am too. My name is Amber Watson. Amber Nicole Watson. And I'm going to teach you about school. Bye!
Do you want to sing a song about school? Do a dance about school?
Okay. Oh, try that one again.
And you do a lot of stuff like play. And you also do homework. And here's the bestest part.